Advantages of installing marble stairs. Dear friends, there are a lot of benefits to owning a home. You get to live in that house and gain equity at the same time. As the homeowner, you also get to do whatever you want to the home along the way. It is your job to maintain the home properly for your family and so you can sell it again someday. You also have the privilege of making improvements whenever you want and can afford to take on such projects. You might have a list floating around of things you want to do at some point or another. Are marble stairs on that list? Perhaps they should be. Here are a few of the advantages they can bring to a home. Permanency. Think about the materials you have had or have seen on staircases before. Carpeting wears rather quickly and has to be replaced. Even wood can show wear over time. There are benefits to any material, but one thing you will get with marble that many other materials can't give you is permanency. This natural stone is dense and highly durable, which is great for a high-traffic area like the stairs. It can be used and never show the wear and tear that other materials will. Enhancing the look of your home. You might like the look of marble in other areas of your home, but imagine how elegant and beautiful it would look on the stairs. If you have a staircase that shows, like from the entryway or due to an open railing, you want that staircase to look nice. Marble is one great way to make it shine with beauty. You can choose a material that blends in or stands out. Either way, the marble is a popular choice for enhancing the beauty of any part of a room. Fire and water resistance. Marble is a fire-resistant material because of its density and hardness. It is also resistant to water, so spills won't cause damage. Having a marble staircase keeps your family that much safer in the event of a fire. With their structural integrity, they make an escape plan safe for anyone in the family. Low maintenance needs. Marble is a durable material that looks great for decades. You will want to make sure the material is properly sealed as needed, but other than that, you won't have to do anything to it. Stairs can be a real pain to vacuum if you have carpet, or to dust if you have wood. With marble, you don't have to do much to it to make it look great for the long haul. It's always nice to be able to cross things off the list instead of adding to it. Marble stairs are unique and elegant. Not just any home has them, making them a standout feature. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.